guys didn't see you there. I was displaying my puppet. And it's a circle puppet and my mom just bought it for me. And it has pink and it has yellow. I think this is dark pink. Don't you think it's dark pink, guys? No. This is yellow and this is peach and this is teal and this is blue. And then it has this little hole right here. I don't know what its purpose is for. So, and that's all about this. Let's move on to the next one. Guys, this is the next one. This is, it is fully colored yellow. And this is, like where the bees make honey. Is this correct? Yeah, it's a honeycomb. Honeycomb. Oh, like in Squid Game? No, this is the one that like bees really make the honey in. That's why it's called honeycomb. Or maybe Squid Game makes puts the sugar in like it's honey and then you mix it with the comb. That's why it's called honeycomb. Okay, next one. So this is a crab. It's been a long time since I popped this little thing, but it has purple, is this teal? Oh yeah, teal, and yellow, and pink, and again teal. So let's put it aside there, and its shape is a crab, and it has these little purple eyes. I don't know if the real crab that lives on the sea has purple eyes. Sorry guys. This is the next one. Its shape is an apple, and it has red, orange, yellow, green, a little bit of green. It's like green and blue mixed together, but not really like really mixed. So it has green and blue, and last but not the least is purple. And its shape is an apple, and it has a little hole also. Put it aside. Guys, I asked. So, do you want to know how many puppets I have? Wait, I basically the total number is 30. 30 puppets, guys. I have a whole box of them. Yeah, 30 puppets. This is the next one, and this is Godzilla. Is this Godzilla, guys? Can you tell? Yep, it's Godzilla. And it's really wiggle. Godzilla's party. What color is this? It's like, what color is this? Is it teal? No. It's green. It's like green with, when you add white to it, it's like the green that you add white to it. Yeah. And it has this tail here that you can squish a lot. There you go. And your arms is just like this. And the head, guys, this is of the Godzilla, the movie. Have you watched? Is this the head of it? No, right? And it has the little spines on the back. Yeah, it's just like that. And next is the flower puppet. So it's basically winter, not yet spring. So I don't know why the flower puppet bloom up. And it has blue, purple, orange, red, and yellow. Yeah, and it has so many colors on it, and the shape is a flower. Just to make it correct again, guys, maybe you forgot what's the shape. This is the next one. The purple hexagon. Is this a hexagon? Yep, it's a hexagon. So I basically have, how many do I have of these? There's the other one. The other one here these guys. So I I basically have purple, blue, and this one has peach and other colors more like teal and purple. Yeah. So let's put these three aside. And this one is blue and it pops perfectly. Whoa, that's really crispy. Okay, next one. This is a box man. And it pops like the blue hexagon also. Yeah. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay, next one. This is my unicorn puppet. Does any of you believe in unicorns? In your dreams. So, it has a long horn here. And oh, also me, I have a horn right here. I'm a unicorn. Unicorns are like horses, but horses just don't have horns. They only have tails. Okay, so it pops really good. It doesn't pop that good, but it's just a little tiny good. A little, just like this. It's near to max. It's near to max good. Okay, next. This one I just broke it. Okay. But this one was technically my favorite. Now it lost 4 holes. I can barely see you. Okay. Do you know the game Among Us, guys? Yeah, I bet all of you know the Among Us game. So, dun dun dun. Do you recognize this? I'm the imposter. I came from a vent. And guys, have you played Among Us? Because I have played Among Us once. It's really good. So let's put this aside, and it has this little, where you can see the Among Us, and it's 6. Yeah. Let's move on to the next one. Do you guys like French fries? Yeah, I like French fries too a lot, but basically I have a cough, so I can eat French fries now, and that's why I'm coughing a lot. And you guys go to McDonald's, Burger King, sometimes KFC. Do Americans go to KFC? Yeah, sometimes. And also, there's a lot of restaurants that have French fries. So that's why my mom bought me French fry puppet. It has green. Is this blue or teal? It's blue. I think it's blue. It's teal, I think. Yeah, teal. Green, teal, purple. This one has no line. This one has no outlining. I don't know why. It has purple and pink and yellow. Basically, the fries are yellow, no? Guys, do you see this glowing? No, you can't basically. First you put it in the light, then in the dark, then in the light it actually glows. Yeah, but you can't see glow. Wait, I'll pop it all this time. ASMR. That's all for the ASMR of this one. Okay. Guys, so this is the train and it has pink and more colors. So, do you like the color, guys? Is it nice? Is it nice? And it's a train. It's a train, guys. Chugga chugga choo choo. Okay. And next one. This is a rainbow, guys. It has green and blue and many colors more, and it's a rainbow. Next one. I bet all of you guys know Star Wars, right? I think there's a Star Wars movie in America, but I don't know Star Wars or not. So Baby Yoda! Baby Yoda, Baby Yoda. Okay, now let's put this back here. I forgot, guys. It's not Baby Yoda. It's Master Yoda. Sorry, guys. I just don't know Star Wars, so I just called it Baby because it looks little in real life. Okay. Do you know Disney? Mickey Mouse? Hi, I'm Mickey Mouse. And I have a Mickey Mouse puppet. This is basically my first puppet. This and this heart one were my first puppets because my mom delivered it for me in Instagram. No, Amazon, not Amazon. And this is a heart puppet, and this is really nice because it has so many colors that are so nice, and let's proceed to the next one. Oh, here is a pink circle puppet, high quality, very small for my hands, and yeah, I just learned a lot. So I don't really care about the bubbles because they're all the same. You just have to pop it. But what I only like about them is only about their shapes and colors. Yeah. And this is my square puppet. Pops really good, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all for this, and it has purple and many colors more that you might like. I think some of you out there, some of my fans have puppets, but not 30 puppets. Only little puppets. Hey, have you ever heard of Batman the movie? I haven't seen a puppet like this before, but Batman. Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. And it's a Batman, and it has these little eyes also. These little ears of the bat. Poof. Some islands, bats are actually exotic foods. Yeah. Okay, let's move to this one. My favorite one, ice cream. It's not actually an ice cream. It's a popsicle. Yeah, a popsicle. And it has blue, pink, and yellow. Yeah. Okay. Now this one is a red duck. The legendary red duck. Wait, are red ducks real? Nope. Only some of their parts are real. And here's a orange butterfly puppet. So nice. I can pop this all day. Whoa, it's a big stash over here. And have you ever heard of the movie of dinosaurs? No, let's not tell the movies anymore. A dinosaur puppet. What is this dinosaur called? Wait, pause, guys. Pause. Okay, guys, sorry for the pause because I don't know what this dinosaur is called, and I just told my mom, but she doesn't know either. Okay, wow, it's getting bigger. The stash is getting bigger. And I have a red octopus puppet. Pops great. Everything pops great. And this one is not the last, but it's not the last, guys. Can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. So this is the ginger man, and it's teal. Yeah, it's teal. The last one. Have you ever heard of Hello Kitty? It's a giant Hello Kitty puppet. Pops great. Wow, guys. This is bigger than my head. What? This is insane. Okay, this is the last one, guys. The Hello Kitty puppet. So, thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. And guys, never ever forget to like and subscribe and press the notifications bell. It's on Hello Kitty's head. Bye! Mwah. Love you all my fans.